Our top focus, the CBI has filed its first charge sheet in the alleged 1.86 lakh crore rupee Colgate scam. Now, the charge sheet has named Navbharat Power and two of its directors, Harish Chandra Prasad and T. Prasad. The company and its promoters are accused of misrepresenting facts, showing wrong figures and a false tie-up with a Swiss company. None of the two accused were willing to speak to the camera but have said they have not done anything wrong and no facts or figures were misrepresented. The CBI has filed 16 FIRs in the case till now. The agency is looking into allegations against nearly 150 companies and the probe is likely to be completed by April end. The CBI is also set to file a status report on the case in the Apex Court today.
देखिए, लॉ कमीशन ने कुछ रिकमेंडेशंस दिए थे फॉर पर्पसेस ऑफ डीक्रिमिनलाइजिंग पॉलिटिक्स. उसमें से एक तो ये था कि वो एमएलए एमपी जिसके खिलाफ एनी ऑफेंस है 5 साल से ज़्यादा का पनिशमेंट का, तो ही शुड बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम कॉन्टेस्टिंग. दूसरा रिकमेंडेशन ये था कि अगर सिटिंग एमएलए के खिलाफ चार्जशीट फाइल होती है तो वो ट्रायल जो है एक्सपेडाइट होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एक्सपेडाइट हो जाएगी तो 1 साल के अंदर कंक्लूड हो जाएगी ट्रायल, तो वो कन्विक्शन हो गया तो ये कैन बी आउट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट.
Associate Editor Athir Khan now joins me on the phone line. Athir, the deadline for the CBI as far as the charge sheets are concerned is April end. We've already seen the first charge sheet being filed, but let's just talk about how real the situation is. Can they really meet this time frame while they file the first charge sheet today?
Well, CBI has little choice after the Supreme Court's direction, Vedika, and as you know today that it has filed charge sheet against Navbharat Power Private Limited in the Patiala House Special Court. Now, two of its directors, Sri Vikrama Prasad, the Harish Chandra Prasad, have been charge sheeted, and they have been charge sheeted under Section 120B and 420. Now, we are also learning that this charge sheet is 9,500 pages. So, therefore, all the charge sheets are voluminous. They take a lot of effort, as we've been told by CBI officials. So, but the CBI is racing against time and trying to meet the Supreme Court deadlines.
Also, Athir, take us through the charges against Navbharat Power Private Limited, which is mentioned in that charge sheet.
Well, Vedika, the charges are clear. It is of cheating, wrongful gain and wrongful loss caused to the exchequer. That is the allegation. Now, they are also saying that it was a criminal conspiracy on the part of both these promoters and other persons. So, therefore, now the CBI will have to prove their case in the court. There will be a trial following which the court will arrive to a conclusion.
Also, that status report is to be filed in the Apex Court today, Athir. What time do we expect that to happen, and what are we expecting the CBI to say as far as the response to the Supreme Court is concerned?
Well, today is the day when the Supreme Court had scheduled it for hearing, but Vedika, sources are telling us that there is a likelihood that it might not be taken up today. The CBI has sought 4 weeks' time extension for those 6 cases, but we are learning that today there is a possibility it might not be taken up at all in the Supreme Court.
All right, Athir Khan, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with the latest. That's the big breaking news that we've been tracking here on Headlines today. The first charge sheet has been filed by the CBI in the coal scam.